Look at that trend. There's been 778,000 searches for AI agents in the last month. That's 330% more than the entire year of 2024. Let's unpack what AI agents are, how they work, and how you can take advantage of that new technology. And before we get into that, my name is Ariz. I'm a computer science student getting a degree in AI. So I've been in this space for a while now, and I've been building AI agents for the last 12 months. So I also have good knowledge on AI agents and how they work. What is an AI agent? AI agents are autonomous pieces of software. They don't need you to be specific with what you want, you just give them the goal and they'll do the rest. So, unlike regular software, like for example Siri, you need to be very specific with what you want to get the desired outcome. You'd have to tell them step by step because they are limited to follow a set of instructions that they cannot break out of. AI agents, however, they can use advanced tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini to understand and derive what you're trying to say in order to accomplish the task. So, a good way to think about this is think of an AI agent as a self-driving car. They can sense the road, they understand their surroundings, they know where other cars are, they can make decisions when to turn and when not to turn, when to stop, and they learn the more they do it. So they learn from their environment. The more times they drive, the better the self-driving car gets at driving. It's the same concept with an AI agent. So I'll give you an example to bring it home. Is let's just say you wanted to set up a meeting with Sarah for some time next week. Well, you could, like, if you told Siri to set up a meeting with Sarah, what it would do was it would just open your calendar. Like, you can try it. Tell Siri you want to have a meeting with Sarah. It's not gonna ask you who Sarah is. It's just gonna open up your calendar and ask you to book it in there. Now, if you told an AI agent that I want to have a meeting with Sarah, what it's gonna do is it's gonna go to your calendar, find a day that you're free, go to her calendar, find a day she's free, find a corresponding date that matches, book it, and then send you both a Google Calendar link saying, here's the book date for your meeting. Like, it'll do everything from start to finish for you. So we said AI, and a lot of us are used to AI in a different sense, which is like ChatGPT, right? And Claude and Gemini. Now, those are called LLMs, large language models. Now, an AI agent is not an LLM. An LLM is trained on a static set of data. It's trained to learn and predict responses based on a static set of data. So, if ChatGPT's latest update was, let's just say, last week, then all of the events of this week are completely unknown to ChatGPT. So even if you asked it, it wouldn't know. And it would come up with some reason, or it would come up with a fake version of events to answer your question about what happened this week, which is called hallucination. Now, AI agents, they don't have a static training data set. They are able to interact with the world like me and you. The thought process of an AI agent, for you to understand why it's not like ChatGPT, why it's not an LLM. This thing can do something called tool call. Now, tool call means that if you gave it access to your ChatGPT API key or your Google Sheets API, this agent would be able to get access to those tools. Like, you can't ask ChatGPT, what does my calendar look like for this week? It doesn't know. But you could ask an agent what it looks like for this week, and can you optimize it for me? It has this ability to call on other tools to help it get its one thing done. So it's extremely powerful. Now, the way that this is done, the way its ability to actually go from start to finish and use other things to help it get there, is through four main pieces that put together give you an AI agent: planning, interacting with tools, memory, and executing actions. So everything starts with a goal. An AI agent defines what it needs to be achieved and creates a plan, breaks it into manageable tasks. You tell it what you want, it breaks it down into manageable tasks and gets one of them done piece by piece. Interacting with tools, it can get the internet access, it can get API access, it can find all other external tools that can help it go beyond static data. For memory, it has the ability to get access to, let's say, your company's data and remember what your company does, mission, vision, your CRM, what's happening today, what is this person like, what don't they like. When you update your CRM with a new customer, it will update its knowledge with the same customer. Executing actions, so it can write reports, it can manage software, it can autonomously alter your calendar, it can give you leads, it can do outreach, it can do selling, it can do marketing, it can do, like if you're a student like me, it can help you write research papers, it can help you with revision. They're not limited because it's basically a person that gets infinitely better every time it does it, and it doesn't get tired of doing it. So it gets better non-stop, but it's not like all great yet because there's a lot of problems with it, like hallucination, which is why Apple had to withdraw Apple Intelligence. So building sustainable AI agents is difficult. And additionally, there's like some you can look up right now, like Devin. So Devin is like a software engineering assistant. So he can be part of your coding team, and he's an AI agent. He's not a real employee, but he behaves like a real employee. I don't know why I'm saying he. But basically, the statistics are not in Devin's favor because it's only getting about 4 out of every 20 tasks correct. So it's really hard to build quality agents that actually do what they're supposed to do. And the truth is, for someone like me and you, like if you're just a business owner and you want to scale your business, or you're an entrepreneur and you want to start a business, or you're a student and you want to learn faster and finish your assignments quicker, or if you're an employee and you want to be more productive, these smaller use cases, we can build AI agents that will not fail. We can build sustainable AI agents that will continuously perform, even under a good amount of stress. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you in the next few videos, into how to build them. This channel is basically going to be about AI stuff because I'm doing my degree in AI, and I think education should be freely available to everybody, and you shouldn't have to pay thousands of dollars. If you like free education, go ahead and subscribe because we need more people like you over here. Other than that, keep killing it.